Did you see the news from MOH on Wednesday? If you live in Singapore and have a private hospitalization plan, you need to listen to this. This is not just a small tweak. This is a major change to our medical insurance since 2018. But before we get into the dry technical details, let's get straight to the reality we are all facing. If you are in your 40s or 50s, looking at your insurance premium this year, you probably felt like a punch in the gut. For many of you, the private hospital plan has already cost $5,000 a year. And remember, the premiums increase with age. The anxiety isn't just about paying the bill today, but the real question that haunting us is, if the premium is this high while I'm earning a salary, how can I afford this when I'm retired and have zero income living off my savings? This is the crisis. We are holding on to plans that are becoming unsustainable. To solve this, MOH has introduced a new framework and is effective 1st April 2026. Let's compare the difference between now and the future framework. So for now, if you have a full rider with private hospital, you enjoy a low out-of-pocket costs. The majority of your bills are paid by the insurance company. You usually don't have a deductible to pay, and your co-insurance is capped at $3,000 per year. Now, the downside is that the premiums are super high and is increasing every year. So in the new framework, you likely need to pay for the first layer of a bill, and this is called the deductible. The deductible is up to $3,500, and this depends on which ward class. The Class A and private are the most expensive. And also, the co-payment cap is rising from $3,000 to $6,000. I know what you are thinking. On the paper, it means in a medical crisis, your financial liability is higher. But here's a twist, and this is potentially a game changer. You can use your MediSave to pay for the new deductible and co-payments within the withdrawal limits. Previously, under the old plan, all co-payments, the $3,000, are most likely to be paid by cash. So with the new rules, this means that even the bills are higher with the deductibles and co-payment, MOH allows us to use MediSave to pay for these within the withdrawal limits. And this means the amount of hard-earning money leaving your bank account might be less. And this decides to use your CPF to protect your retirement savings. And also, MOH estimates that because of these changes, the cost of riders could be dropped by up to 30%. So when does this start? Are you affected? So group 1, you already have a policy. You bought your policy before 27 November 2025, and your policy will be under the old plan, which means that least out-of-pocket expense, but you cannot hold on to this plan forever. So under the transition time, if you buy the hospitalization plan today and anytime before 31st March 2026, you can still choose to buy the old plan, and anything after 31st of March will be under the new plan. Anything with this old plan you purchase now will be changed to this new plan in 2028. So the new normal from 1st April 2026 onwards, no more old plans. Sales of the old riders are stopped completely, and everybody purchased the hospitalization plans will be under this new policy. So how do you make your decision? I often get asked, what is the best plan? Let's be real. If you have a bottomless budget, choose the most luxury private hospital plan. But 99% of us have to look at the price tag. Hospitalization insurance isn't just a one-time purchase. It's a lifelong commitment. So ask yourself, I will advise to prioritize sustainability over luxury. Don't just ask, can I afford this plan today? but ask yourself, can I still afford this plan when I'm 65, retired, and living off my savings? Choose a plan that protects your health without destroying your wealth. Affordable and sustainable, that is the only way to win this game. I will update again in April 2026 when insurance companies release the full details. If this breakdown helped you, please help to share it with your families and friends. And thank you for your time for listening. My name is Nina from Financial Alliance. If you have any questions regarding your hospitalization plan, please contact me.